we got ourselves a stingy situation. So Mrs. Cog Hill says there are a swarm of bees down here. So I'm fixing to go investigate and try to catch them. I've never caught a swarm before, so this will be a learning experience, if true. Hey Peaches, you wanna help me catch some bees? I'll go get you soup. I can see it. It is in a lemon tree that we planted, super low to the ground, probably 3 foot. It is definitely a swarm of bees there. I don't know exactly how I'm going to get it off here, but we're going to give it a shot. Let me throw my bee suit on.
Cool looking. They're all sitting the same way, aren't they?
They are. Alright, let's see here, boo.
You're just gonna scoop them off.
Well, I don't know yet, really. Let's see. Let's see what happens.
Stuck together so good.
I don't know, but they are. You see them?
Yes. They're crawling in. It doesn't really matter if they get away, does it? As long as the queen gets in there?
As long as the queen gets in here.
Can you even feel the pricking?
I can't.
Are they trying to attack you?
Not really.
They're just kind of flying around?
I mean, some of them are probably trying to sting me, but for the most part, they're okay. Huh?
Every now and then will land on me.
They will land on you?
So in the center, the queen's in the center?
That's what they say.
I see someone leaning back.
So when we're going back,
Yeah. Some of them are flying around.
see if you can find me something I can put in front of this. Like a stick or a pine limb, something. Yeah.
You got it.
Okay. This lemon tree is not making matters easy.
Some of them are landing on the side right there.
I'm gonna probably just shake it in there.
Might not work.
See, I can't get in there no more.
I might have to get something to like pick them up with. Now they're swarming around the edge of the box.
Good.
Some are just crawling in there.
Good. The queen might be in there then. If you get nervous now, just go away.
One of them just buzzing,
Okay.
staring. Think you got the queen yet?
I don't know.
For sure getting around the bottom of the lemon tree.
Okay, I see him. What do you think? You going right back to it? Leave that on.
Yeah, they're all over your head.
Are they? They're all over the camera too.
Are they?
Yeah.
They're on my face.
Hopefully I got the queen. That's good. If they start going in and out of that box, that's a good sign. Alright. Now I wonder where we ought to put it. Think we ought to leave it here? Or should we just pick it up and tote it over there? Alright. So all we can do is keep our fingers crossed and hope we got her.
I don't like stuff where the trees get off.
Again, like I said, we've never caught a swarm. I may be doing it totally wrong, and you bee people out there may be laughing and telling me you're a fool, but we did get a bunch of bees in the box, right? There's still a few on this tree, and as you can see, this lemon tree has got all these thorns and limbs on it, so it's almost impossible to get my hand in there and get them all out. So, I don't know, fingers crossed, either I did or I didn't, and if I didn't, guess what? It's not the end of the world. They'll find somewhere else to live. All right. Let's go over here and look at this box and see if we can see them going in and out, maybe. That would be great if we see them going in. Right now it's just kind of hard to say.
They're kind of like crawling.
It looks like they're fanning.
Yeah.
I guess in the morning, when I come check it, if they're in here, then we know it. We got it, don't we?
They're crawling all over your hat.
Are they all over you? Yeah, there's one right there on you.
Yeah. You have like 1,000.
Do I got like 1,000 on me?
Yeah.
A bunch of them. So me and Mary Carl been sitting here watching them for a few minutes, and they are starting to go in the box. So that's a good sign. I mean, they are slowly and steadily migrating in the box. Nobody's coming out, is it? They're all going in. They're going, look at them. See them going down? I think we may have it. There's a drone. See the drone? That big one right there? That big one right there, see him? See the darker color and how big he is? Right there.
Looks like a bumblebee.
It does look like a bumblebee almost.
They're not going where they go yet.
And he's going down in there. See how fast they're moving now? Fingers crossed. Good job. Give me 5. That's what I'm talking about. I know we haven't done anything with bees because honestly we haven't done anything with bees. We've been so busy with everything else. Bees just got put on the back burner. I mean, all we were doing is just trying to keep them accommodated, and so hopefully more bee videos later this year, starting with this one, because it sounds like I got a bunch of bees still on me. I feel like I'm fixing to take off. Should I shake like a dog, wet dog? Did it?
Yes. For me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video today. If you want to see more of our bee videos, which isn't many, check this playlist out over here. If you're new to the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button right down below. If you're interested in any Cog Hill Farm gear, like the Be Happy shirt, check out that link right there. Y'all be good.